There are so many chocolate brownie recipes out there, and this one here is the one that's worked for me for a very long time. Begin by placing 125 grams of butter into a saucepan, and then place that over a very low heat until the butter melts. Immediately take the butter off the heat and add in 125 grams of dark chocolate. The dark chocolate must be at least 50% cocoa solids. Stir the butter and the chocolate together until the chocolate is fully melted. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Set your chocolate mixture to one side to cool down a little bit, and then place 3 eggs into a mixing bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use a hand mixer for this if you want to. Along with your 3 eggs, add in 125 grams of light brown sugar, and using a whisk attachment, whisk your eggs and sugar until it's almost doubled in size, pale in colour, and really light and fluffy. Well, you might be a liar, and I choose to. I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. Now that your eggs are light and fluffy, we need to add the chocolate mixture to the egg mixture, and then just gently fold it together until it's fully incorporated. Add in a pinch of sea salt and then sift in 75 grams of self-raising flour. Gently fold the flour into your brownie mixture until it's fully mixed through. At this point, we've now got the perfect brownie mixture, and it's up to you what you do with it. Today we're going to chop 100 grams of milk chocolate into nice big chunks and fold 2/3 of it through the mixture. We're going to save the last third to sprinkle on top before it goes in the oven. But you could also add in nuts and any other type of chocolate that you'd like at this stage. This size batch will make roughly around 6 portions. Select a suitable size oven tray or pan for your brownie mixture. Grease it with a little bit of butter and then line it with some greaseproof paper. I've cut the corners of this greaseproof paper and it helps make it sit in nice and neatly. Pour in your mixture before placing it in the oven. Remember to scrape out any mixture that's left in the pan using a spatula because we don't want to waste a single bit. Place your brownie into a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Bake it for anywhere between 35 minutes and 50 minutes. That's entirely up to you depending on how fudgy you like your brownie. The less time, the more fudgy it'll be. The more time, the more cakey it'll be. Either way, it's going to be good. I'm going to cook mine for 40 minutes. Leave your brownie to cool before you cut it into portions. And then if you want to eat it warm, you can just warm it lightly through the oven or in the microwave just for a minute or so. And serve it with custard, cream, or even some salted caramel, if that's what you like. This is how I suggest serving it, just with a little bit of vanilla ice cream and some fresh fruit. I know it's going to be absolutely delicious and I know you'll love it too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.